Very pleasant morning to all my lovely students. So, again, we are here for chapter number 1 Economics, the story of village Palampur. So, we have discussed so many things in this chapter. So, now we are summarize or we are revising this chapter today. So let's start the see this pictures of the village of Palampur. In this chapter we have seen the farming is the main activity in Palampur. Whereas several other activities such as small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc. carried out on a limited scale. These production activities needs uh, this product activity needs the natural resources, man-made terms, human efforts. According to your book, I am explaining, and the combined to the product desires, goods and the services in village. जितनी भी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है villages में उन सारी चीज़ों की manufacturing होती है. So it is the part of the non-farming activity. What are the part of the non-farming activity? Dairy, manufacturing, transport, and main activity of the village Palampur is farming. What is farming? Is the main activity in the Palampur village. Fine. Now, after that, we have discussed about the introductions, how is village look likes, and how many families live. The family is 450 families lives here. Many ST, SC, Dalit caste is also here. Some people have the resources and some has not resources, and many of farmers have their own land, and some farmers work in the other farmers field, and electricity powers and the tube wells in the fields and the use in the various types of small business. Palampur has two primary schools and one high school. There is a primary health center run by the government and one private dispensary where the risk is the treated. अब यहाँ पर देखिए it mean to say इन सबका कहने का मतलब क्या है? What is the mean? It means that this village is a very developed village. Fine. Now second, what we studies in this chapter, we have studies about the factors organization of production, in which I have already explained about the land, labor, physical capital, and after the physical capital, physical capitals are both types. First is fixed capital, second is the working capital. Fine. So underline these words in your book and keep remember this. Raw materials, money in hand is called the working capitals. Fine. Now next topic is the farming in the Palampur. Land is fixed. In this section you have to understand that we can't increase the land but we can increase the production. Fine. So the small things is we are all talking about the village and their life. Now next topic which you have to understand from this paragraph is that the standard unit of measuring land is the hectares. Fine. Hectare is the unit for which used to measuring the land को other things are बीघा, गुटनिया. इट्स ऑल्सो यूज़ फॉर द मेजरिंग लैंड. ये बहुत पुरानी यूनिट्स हैं जिसका यूज़ फार्मर्स बहुत टाइम से कर रहे हैं लैंड को मेज़र करने में. फाइन. बीघा एंड हेक्टर. फाइन. नेक्स्ट इज देयर इज़ अ वे that can this is the already one questions. Is there a way one can grow more crops in the same land? ऐसा कोई है कि way that कि we can increase so many crops in the one field. So in this section I have already explained about the multiple cropping. This is the example of the multiple cropping. Fine. Wheat, bajra, sugarcane and potato. These all crops are grown in the same field in a year. It means multiple cropping. Fine. Multiple cropping. So there is the also mean of the multiple cropping. definitions. You can underline this: to grow more than crops on the piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. Fine. Now next section. In next section, I have explained about the modern farming method. Fine. So these are the modern farming methods: HYV seed, fertilizer, pesticides, dam, electric tube well, pump set, canal, farm machineries, diesel, irrigation. So these all things are used in the farming for the growing more and more production. Fine. So this is the part of green revolution. Green revolution means after 1816 in India we have started to using multiple cropping and modern farming method in the agriculture. So our agriculture production increased day by day. So this is known as green revolution. Now next topic is the will the land sustain. So I am explaining these. Listen carefully. That land is being natural resource. It is necessary to be careful in its use क्योंकि land जो है it is natural resource. So when we are using the land, so some facts we have to take care of that. The scientific reports indicate that the modern farming method have overused the natural resource. ऐसा माना गया है, जो साइंटिस्ट हैं, जो साइंटिफिक रिपोर्ट्स आई है कि एग्रीकल्चर में जो हम मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड एंड मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग विच वी आर यूजिंग, उससे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज क्या है, ओवर यूज हुए हैं. उन्हें ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा उनका क्या किया गया, यूज़. In many areas, green revolution is associated with the loss of soil fertility. यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं डिसएडवांटेजमेंट. क्या आ रहा है, डिसएडवांटेज है ना, किसके, मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड के. So keep remember, again I am repeating that soil fertility due to the increase of the use of chemical fertilizer. So first क्या हुआ है, soil की fertility reduce हुई है ना. Also continuous use of the groundwater for tube well irrigation has lead to the depletions of the water table. Continuously हम underground water का use करें तो water level बहुत नीचे आ गया है. Next, environmental resources like soil fertility and the groundwater and built up over years. इनको बनने में क्या लगते हैं, over years, बहुत साल लगते हैं. Once destroyed, it is very difficult to restore them. एक बार अगर ये क्या हो गए, ख़त्म हो गए, तो उन्हें restore करना बहुत मुश्किल है. We also take care of the environment to ensure further development of agriculture. सो हमें इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि जब भी हम मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड का यूज़ करें, उससे हमारी जो है नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज जो हैं वो डिस्ट्रॉय ना हो. नाउ इन दिस पिक्चर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन दैट many farmers distribute their lands to their sons and the area of the land reduced day by day. There is also a story which you have read. Next is how the land disturbed between the farmers of Pala. Distribute कैसे होता है farmers का, सभी farmers जो होते हैं अपने land को क्या करते हैं, divide. Now in this pictures you can see the work on the field, wheat crops, ploughing by the bullock cart, sowing, spraying, and the insecticides, cultivations by the traditional method, cultivation by the modern method, and the cutting of crops. ये सारे ही process इस picture में आपको दिखाए गए. So listen and see this picture carefully. Next in this section we have say who will provide the labor. Labor कौन provide करता है, farmers. ठीक है. Now in this section I have explained that there are three types of farmers. First is large landowners, second is small landowners, and third is landless labor. Now distribution of the cultivated area you can see in this bar graph. Fine. Next is this is story. So read this story. There are two persons of the village. One is the male and one is female. This is talking regarding to their employment. Fine. So read this picture. Now next topic is the capital needed in farming. कैपिटल मीन्स मनी, कि बहुत सारी ज़रूरत होती है किसकी, मनी की, व्हेन फार्मर ग्रो द क्रॉप्स। देखिए यहाँ पे जो लार्ज फार्मर है उनकी बात की है, मनी लेंडर्स, ट्रेडर्स, इनके पास क्या होता है, ये लोन लेते हैं, उनको बहुत सारा जो लोन है वो इजीली मिल जाता है, जैसा कि जो स्मॉल फार्मर्स हैं उनको नहीं मिल पाता। सो दे फेस द मनी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स। नेक्स्ट इज देयर इज़ अ blank areas, so you have to read and try to fill that. I will explain in your live class. Fine. Sales of the surplus from product. अब जब products तैयार हो जाते हैं तो उसको क्या करते हैं, फार्मर सेल करते हैं, ठीक है, जो भी क्रॉप्स उन्होंने ग्रो की है। Now next is the non farming activity. So non farming activity I have explained in already a live class, that dairy means milk and their related things. So dairy is the main non farming activity in the village. Many people are engaged in the dairy work. Next is small scale manufacturing in पालमपुर। स्मॉल स्केल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होती है, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बनाते हैं लोग। फाइन। नेक्स्ट इज देयर इज अगेन आफ्टर द डेयरी प्रोडक्शन, the next activity of the non farming activity is capital needed farming. Okay, again ये बहुत ऊपर आ गया है, हाँ ठीक है। So this is about this chapter. So non farming activity, the shopkeepers in the Palampur, transport, these are the non farming activity in village. There is a small stories in your book, so read it carefully. I hope this chapter is explained to you. आप सभी को ये चैप्टर समझ में आया है, and if you have any query you can ask to me. Thank you and have a nice day.